Hello. The analytical community is with you, Guru Markets. Let's start with some summary information about the company. A little further, we will consider each indicator in more detail. If necessary, you can pause it. You can look at all the parameters of the organization in question in more detail. Now let's analyze the company's current fundamental indicators. TripAdvisor Incorporated, ticker TRIP. This review is based on data as of July 31st, 2025. According to classification Guru.Markets, company TripAdvisor Inc. belongs to the subcategory Recreation Tourism. 16 organizations are taking part in the comparison. Look for the decisions made at the end of the video. The overall result for the company is as follows: 3 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is 2.9 points. If you look very broadly, within the stock market as a whole, it can be noted that the average score for the US stock market as a whole is 1.8 points. Against the score of 3 points TripAdvisor Inc. By comparing the movement of the company's stock price TripAdvisor Inc. and subcategory companies, we can see that over 12 months the shares TripAdvisor Inc. showed a dynamics of -2%. Against the price dynamics for the subcategory of 48.1%. Market capitalization of the company TripAdvisor Inc. amounts to $2.3 billion. With a market capitalization of $289 billion, the subcategory is worth $1.5 billion. The company's book value is $0.88 billion. The subcategory's book capitalization is $24 billion. Comparing the shares of market and book value, we see the following. Share TripAdvisor Incorporated in the subcategory when assessing the market value is 0.796%. The book value is 3.69%. Assessment of the company's market share and book value of the subcategory, good, 1 point. The organization under analysis has debt obligations of $1.139 billion. Financial liabilities to book value amount to 130% of the company's capital. The result for the company's debt obligations, bad, -1 point. The company's price-to-earnings ratio is 43.4, with an average for the subcategory of 32.5. Evaluation of the company's stock market value to its profit ratio in comparison with companies in the subcategory, bad, -1 point. Profits for the last 12 months were $53 million. Forward earnings for the next 12 months are expected to be $221 million. Assessment of the indicators of projected future profit in comparison with the subcategory, good, 1 point. The company's price-to-sales ratio is 1.3. The average in the subcategory is 4.6. Evaluation of the market price to revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $1,840 million. The projected revenue for the next 12 months is expected to be $3,230 million. Assessment of the indicators of projected future sales volumes in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, good, 1 point. The marginality is 2.9%, with an average in the subcategory of 14.1%. Profitability assessment compared to indicators in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's share by number of employees in the subcategory is 2.135%. This is 168% more than the market capitalization share. The amount of capital per employee of the company is equal to $804,000, while in the subcategory there are $2,157,000. Evaluation of the company's capital volume per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The amount of profit per individual employee is $18.5 thousand, with an average for the subcategory of $66.3 thousand. Evaluation of profit per employee in comparison with indicators in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The organization's revenue per employee is $643,000. Subcategory, $469,000. Rating of revenue share per employee compared to subcategory indicators, good, 0.5 points. Shares for sale account for 19.5%, compared to the subcategory average of 2.7%. Technical indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 59% for the company TripAdvisor Inc. In the subcategory, this level is approximately 51%. The company's actual share price is around $17.57. The consensus price target for the company's shares is approximately $17.37. Let's look at the order table. It is available to everyone. Link in the pinned comment. The order table contains all decisions made in a given season by the stock evaluation information and reference System.GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is free and open. Link in the pinned comment. Based on the results of the Securities Analysis TripAdvisor Incorporated Information and Reference System of Assessment Guru.Markets, the following decision is made. Open sell order at $17.56 per share. The deal was opened due to the fact that the company has a fairly low rating and price dynamics. The company's assessment was carried out using the assessment methodology, the Akeem's Index. Take profit is set at 11.6. Stop loss is set at 23.52. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss, the order is automatically fixed based on the results of exchange trading on August 30th, 2025, or on the last working day before the specified date. Ticker MLGO will be the main purchase transaction. The video on the main order has already been published on the channel. When closing any of the orders, the main or balancing one, the second order is closed at the actual price. Thank you all very much for watching to the end and for using the information system, Guru Markets.